It's Scooby tutorial time. Today we're learning Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but with a twist. It's gonna be with lyrics in Hawaiian. So since the ukulele is a traditional Hawaiian instrument, I thought we'd kick it off with some Hawaiian lyrics. It's fun, it's easy, and I am open to suggestions if my pronunciation is off on any of these words. Thank you in advance. I'm providing a link to a printable PDF for the chart for this song in the description below. So grab that PDF before we get started, and then we'll be able to play. We're gonna do this two ways. I'm gonna just show you the song and play through the whole thing and sing it. And then after that, I'm gonna do another version where we go back and forth. I play a chord, you play a chord, I play a chord, you play a chord, and we'll get through the song together. It's an easier way to kind of get started and feel successful with a song if you have a partner to play with. And then you can come back to this first version again whenever you feel like it and practice with all the chords all put together. So what we're using today, I'm gonna scoot forward so you can see. You should have all these stickers, these colors marked on your fretboard. We're gonna be using the F chord today. That's the green chord. We're gonna be using the G chord, which is the yellow chord. And we're gonna use the C chord, which is your red chord. And if all your chords sound great like that when you practice them, then we are ready to go. If you need to tune up, you can take the time to tune up too. I'm gonna create a video for tuning as well. So here's how the song goes. It starts with an intro, and we're just gonna play each of these chords one time. It's gonna sound like this. F, G, C, C, and then it repeats. F, G, C, C. Here we go. Imo, imo, hoku, iki, ha, o, wawia, oi, aluna, a, e, o, ke, a, o, If you were able to play along with me, fantastic. Feel free to practice with that version as much as you'd like. If those chords passed you by kind of quickly, I recommend trying this second approach where I'm gonna play the first chord, an F, and then you're gonna play a G, and then I'm gonna play a C, and then you're gonna play a C. So we're gonna alternate, okay? We're gonna start with the intro again, and I will name the chords that you're supposed to play, okay? Let's just play through maybe the intro to get used to it. 1, 2, here I go. F, now you play a G, now I play a C, and you play a C. And I'll play an F, and you play a G, and I play a C, and you play a C. How'd that work for you? Let's try the whole song that way. I'm just gonna play every other chord. We'll start with the intro. 1, 2, here I go. G, C, G, C, C. Imo, imo, hoku, iki, ha, o, wawia, oi, aluna, a, e, o, ke, a, o, ko, ukaimana, ikailewa, imo, imo, hoku, iki, ha, o, wawia, oi. If you ended on a C chord, we got to the finish line. Good job. Stay tuned for more songs and tutorials. I've got lots of fun stuff coming down the pike. Thanks for being a Scooby member.